In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Valorant stuttering and freezing problem. So first of all, what you will have to do is to simply go to your start button and search for graphics settings. Now in your graphics settings, you will see your Valorant application right over here. But if you don't see your Valorant application over here, you don't have to panic. Just simply click on browse and you will be redirected into your system files. In your system files, you very simply have to locate the Valorant application, then click on it and click on add. By doing this, now you will be able to see your Valorant application right over here. So once you have located your Valorant application, you very simply have to click on it and click on options. Now in your options, you have to see whether your high performance mode is enabled. If it is, then you will have to select the option that says let window decide or simply the power saving mode. I will recommend you to use the power saving mode as still your GPU will be used in this graphic preferences. Once you're done, you have to click on save. Now once you're done from here, you very simply have to close your settings application. Next up is what you can also do is to update your graphic driver. Make sure that you have the latest graphic driver so you may not ever face graphic issues ever again. If you don't have the latest version of your graphic driver, that can mean that there are bugs and issues that are still not fixed by that graphic version. So you should always keep your graphic driver updated. Next up, what you can also do is to right click on your Valorant application, then click on open file location. Now you will be redirected in this section, but we will have to go to the Riot Games folder. So simply click on the Riot Games folder right over here. Then you will see two options, Riot Client or Valorant. You very simply have to click on Valorant. Then click on Live. Now you will be able to see the Valorant application right over here. So you very simply have to click on it, then right click and click on Properties. In your properties, you have to click on compatibility, and in compatibility, simply check mark this option that says disable full screen optimization. Then you have to click on apply and click on OK. Once you're done, what you will have to do additionally is to click on the folder that says shooter game. Now click on binaries. Now click on Win64, and from these files you very simply have to scroll down and you will see the application that says Valorant/Win64/shipping. You have to click on it, again right click and click on properties. In your properties, you have to again repeat the same process by clicking on compatibility and simply checkmark this option that says disable full screen optimization. Once you're done, you have to click on apply and click on OK. Now you're done with this section and simply close your File Explorer application. Last thing that you can do to fix this issue is to simply go to your start section and search for run application. You can also access the run application by simply clicking the Windows plus R key on your keyboard and you will be redirected to this menu. In this menu, you have to search for powercfg.cpl. You very simply have to note this down and type it in, then click on OK. Once you click on OK, you will be redirected to this menu in your control panel. From here, what you will have to do is to check whether your system is on high performance or balanced. If your game is stuttering or having performance issues in high performance, then you can select the balanced option. But if it is already on the balanced option, then you can select the high performance option and see whether this fixes your issue. So everyone, this is how you can fix Valorant stuttering and freezing problem. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.